Looking for a versatile and durable solution for your laundry and storage needs? The Requisite Needs laundry bags come in a pack of 5 with vibrant, random colors. Each large bag measures 80 centimeters by 60 centimeters by 28 centimeters, perfect for clothes, toys, or even duvets, crafted from strong plastic with a durable zipper. These bags keep dust and moisture out. Their long handles make carrying hassle-free, and when not in use, they fold easily for compact storage. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the FUYOAL laundry bags, a lifesaver for keeping your clothes fresh and protected. This set includes 4 durable, reusable mesh laundry bags in 2 large sizes and 2 medium sizes, perfect for washing jeans, shirts, underwear, socks, and even shoes. Made from breathable, tightly woven mesh, they prevent tangling, snagging, and color bleeding while ensuring a thorough clean, whether for laundry or travel organization. FUYOAL laundry to make every task easier. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and durable storage solution? Requisite laundry bags are made from prime quality materials, featuring strong cross-stitch zippers and sturdy zip tap ends for long-lasting use. Perfect for laundry, organizing your wardrobe, storing bedding, toys, or even while moving house. With comfortable long handles, these spacious bags are easy to carry and fit perfectly under beds or in wardrobes. Comes in a random color pack of 5. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the comment. Looking for a versatile and durable solution for your storage needs? Meet the one above laundry bags. Made from high quality materials with strong zipper cross stitching, these spacious bags are perfect for laundry, wardrobe organization, storing bedding, toys, or even moving house. They are easy to handle with comfortable long handles and can be conveniently tucked under your bed or stored in your closet. Available in random colors of blue, red, or black, these bags are a must-have for every home. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment. Looking for a smart way to organize your clothes and keep your home tidy? Check out the ANSIO laundry bags. This set of 5 reusable storage bags features sturdy zipper closures to keep your clothes safe from dust and moisture. Each large bag has ample space, measuring 60 centimeters by 25 centimeters by 50 centimeters, perfect for laundry, bedding, or seasonal clothing. Made from high quality materials, they are great for storage, moving, or organizing your space efficiently. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a smart way to protect your delicate clothes during laundry? Rainberg laundry bags are the perfect solution. Made from thick polyester mesh with reinforced stitching, these durable bags come in 2 sizes, 60 centimeters by 50 centimeters and 50 centimeters by 40 centimeters, ideal for socks, underwear, and small garments. Their fine mesh prevents tangles, and the smooth gliding zipper ensures easy use. Whether you're washing, storing, or organizing, Rainberg laundry bags make laundry simpler, safer. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover the DECO Express laundry bags, your ultimate solution for all your storage and moving needs. These strong and versatile bags are perfect for organizing clothes, bedding, or shopping. With options of 2, 4, 8, or 16, each bag can hold up to 107 liters of your belongings. Made from durable materials with sturdy zippers and reinforced stitching, they are easy to carry and store under beds, in attics, or garages. Truly a smart choice for hassle-free packing. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.